Thank you so for the recording. Namaste and welcome to one and all present over here to the 25th episode of Back to the Roots show with our guest, that's Miss Aditi Agarwal, an alumnus of 2017. I would request our principal ma'am to please address the gathering.
Namaste to everyone. It is such a beautiful feeling whenever we have this session of Back to the Roots. It makes us feel that the children, as if they have never left us, because I'm sure they will never leave us. They will always be a part of the school, they will be a part of our heart. So, Aditi, welcome back to the Roots and may God
Thank you
bless
so
you.
much, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Purva, for taking up the charge of this cheerful hosting. We look forward to this talk show. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So, yes, let's welcome our today's guest, Miss Aditi Agarwal. And let's begin. Aditi, I have added few adjectives for your name. Hope you like them. A is for adorable, D is for dedicated, I intelligent, T talented, I inspiring. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay. So currently Aditi is pursuing second year in BAF, that's Bachelor in Accounting and Finance from Hinduja College. She completed her junior college from Thakur Ram Narayan scored and from Thakur Ram Narayan and scored first rank in classes for secretarial practice in 12th board. Fantastic. During her school times, she secured first position in French poem recitation during inter-school competition. She has won several medals in different sports activities such as skating, relay, and many more. She loves indulging herself into reading and wants to set up a library at home. She loves to dance. Now, let's have a look at Aditi's journey in school through a small video prepared by Reshma ma'am. I would request Dilip sir to please play the video.
नगमे हैं शिकवे हैं इससे हैं बातें हैं नगमे हैं शिकवे हैं इससे हैं बातें हैं बातें भूल जाती हैं यादें याद आती हैं बातें भूल जाती हैं यादें याद आती हैं ये यादें यादें ये जीवन दिल जानी दरिया का है पानी पानी तो बह जाए बाकी क्या रह जाए यादें
It was just amazing.
Yes,
Thank
Aditi.
you so
Thank
much.
you. Wow, that's great. That you loved it. Very nice. Principal ma'am, would you like to talk something about the video memories?
So thank you for taking us down the memory lane. It is not just the journey of Aditi, it is also the journey of school as we have grown.
Yes.
I don't have much to say. I can just simply say that it feels very fulfilling. Thank you, Aditi. We could revisit those memories, beautiful memories, because of you today. It was beautiful. Thanks to Reshma for compiling. It's a
Actually,
big,
thanks to
huge job.
everyone to giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am. Yes. So, Aditi, let's begin. Yes. How are you?
Yes, ma'am. I am good. Doing a great.
Okay. And how do you feel to be a part of this program?
It feels really amazing, nostalgic. All those memories from the school is hitting me right now. Everything from annual day, sports day, our school lectures, everything. It's just amazing to be here again.
Great. Fantastic. So, which field have you chosen now?
As you mentioned earlier, I am doing BAF. I'm in second year. BAF is for Bachelor's in Accounting and Finance. I'm doing it from Hinduja College.
Wonderful. And what are your future plans? What efforts are you taking to fulfill them?
Actually, I am more of a person who would like to explore herself in creativity and all. Right now, I'm trying myself as a blogger. I make fashion videos and click pictures and everything. I also have a dream, or let's say a future plan, to start as my wedding planner. I want to be a wedding planner too. I want to like explore
Wonderful.
myself both in fashion and weddings.
All the best. And what would we would like to hear about your journey after you left the school?
Um, so after school, I had 6 months gap for my college. So it was a wonderful time for myself to explore more about who I actually am. And during that time, I started taking tuitions. And it's been 3 years. This is my fourth year that I'm taking tuitions. And then I pursued my college, normal HSC college, and then now I'm in degree college.
That's great. What are the activities, co-curricular activities, and achievements that you remember from the school time?
In the school, the True Be True school gave me so many different opportunities in sports also, and in with academics too. I have won several models for like skating, relay, different sports activity. One of the best was winning the French recitation poem, which I secured first position too.
And do you still cherish those memories?
Yes, obviously, yes. Um, the French recitation poem, it is one of the best memory that I have. I remember there was a Samira ma'am. She selected me for reciting this French poem, and this French poem was kind of in like opera tune. I was like, how will I present it myself? She pushed me through that. You can do it. You can do it. I was like, the people around me are just gonna laugh at me. I will sing the poem in some opera tune and everything. But luckily, I just secured the first place in it, and it is one of the best achievement for me. I took myself out of the comfort zone from there, and I tried it, and it gave me the best results.
That's great. You have put in efforts and you really deserve it. How was the
Thank you, ma'am.
experience as a vice captain?
As a vice captain, it was something. Uh, let's it was a new opportunity for me too, like knowing more about who your members are, who your color members are. I was Ishanya House vice captain twice, so it was something very new for me. I remember when I joined the school for the first year, I was a vice captain in first year itself. It was quite new to me, but teachers helped us how it was working and everything, pushing our team members to go ahead and try something new out of their comfort zone to handling them, managing them. It was just a wonderful experience.
Okay, great. What do you consider as the strength of Ramratna International School?
I consider teachers the strength of the Ramatna International School, and obviously the principal, ma'am. They have always hold on us together, that how we should move ahead, how should we mold ourselves to go ahead and everything. Every lessons which they have taught us about life skills and everything, still it is with me, and how I'm using it in my everyday life. It is just amazing. I feel grateful that I was a part of Ram Ratna International School for 7 years.
That's so nice of you, Aditi. Yes, teachers do play a biggest role, but even the parents play a biggest role. So the parents play as the biggest role in shaping our lives. What life lessons have your parents given you?
My parents have always taught me that be who you are. uh, don't be dependent on someone else. If you are dependent on someone else, you can't move ahead. Try to be independent. Even though you are a girl, they don't do like girl boy anything. They are like what it is. Even if you are a girl, you can push ahead yourself and you can do many things in your life. And they've always taught me time is the most precious thing that you should have. Never waste a single minute, single second in your life. Try to do as much as activities you can do, and because of them I try myself in different activities. I have tried myself on so many different activities, and because of them I can take tuitions, I can do my studies, and I'm also doing my blogging as side by side.
That's wonderful. Wonderful life lessons your parents have given to you. Great. Okay. So, what learnings from school do you think have helped you to sail smoothly through the challenges of the outside world?
School has taught us many life lessons, many life lessons every day. It has taught us something new or other. One of those which I cherish the most is about the safety measurements. Like, be it late night or early in the morning or any day in the day, you can go around, like around. So we don't have to worry about anything. All the safety measurements that the school have taught us. Also, one of the biggest thing that the school have taught us is to respect our elders. Like, uh, talking to our parents and to our other elders, how we speak to them and how we should be with them, it has been the most important part of my life. I feel somewhere some students do lack in it, which I have seen through myself, and I really feel great that I learned this lesson from the school. I really it's amazing.
Wonderful. That yes, values. Our school is known for the values teaching. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Yes. Are you still in touch with your school friends? And which memories do you remember fondly?
I'm not actually in touch with many of my school friends, though I speak to one or two on some days. There are so many memories in the last 7 years. I think I have created numbers of memories. Even if I say it here, it would be less. Some which I remember and which are the best is during the lunch time, which we used to have it. The students who used to bring lunch from home, we used to sit in corridors and we used to share each other's lunch. Also, I remember once our classmates, means all of us, made a plan of having pani puris, and each one of us bought different element of it. Like someone bought puri, someone bought this. It was an amazing time that in the school we sat together, shared food, and ate together. It was just
Wow.
amazing.
Yes. Time with friends is the best time. Correct.
Yes.
And how is the outside world different from school?
Outside world from school is totally different, totally different. In school it was a different environment, different feeling, but as we go into the college and explore different people, it's completely different. It's like meeting new people, hearing their new stories, what it is. Also, in outside worlds it is like, we need to be more careful, like how we carry ourselves and everything. People around are judging, continuously are judging ourselves, who we are, how we handle ourselves. So, and in school we were like a carefree people who didn't care much about what people would think about us. We were like a family who was like there to each other and helping each other. But I feel somewhere outside world is not so helpful. That, yeah, the outside world from the school is completely different.
Yes, there were teachers to guide you. Yes,
Yes,
each and every step. But outside, we have to move onwards
on
on our
our
way.
own.
On our
Exactly.
own. Yes, absolutely. We have to search and go ahead. Wonderful. Okay, what is your message for your juniors?
To my juniors, I would like to say the school, this is like the best thing that can ever happen to you. Cherish each and every moment of it. Also, the lessons which they teach you as a senior, I can say it will be very helpful for you once you leave the school. Learn each and every lesson, which life lessons which has been taught, understand it, and then use it in your life ahead. Just don't throw it away. It's something to be cherished forever.
That's great. Wonderful. Yeah, wonderful message from you. And what are your memories, the best memory of school days, which you can never forget?
Once I remember there was some PDIP or activity lecture which I don't really remember. Two of my friends and I, we didn't go to that lecture, and we were sitting in the parking area, and we were sitting in the corner side so that no one could see us also. And we were like, when the lecture will get over, we'll go back to the class. And we were so much into each other. We were talking so much, and I think there was a Hyderabad trip coming at that point. We were so busy discussing about everything and all. We forgot when the bell rang, and the next lecture, even the next lecture, we got punked. And the next lecture teacher was continuously looking for us, like, where are these girls and everything. We were scolded very badly, and then we had to write apology letter and everything. But the time which I spent with those girls, it was just amazing.
That's great. Wonderful. Thanks for sharing that. Yes,
Thank you.
even though teacher was waiting for you, but yes, that life, that time can never come back. Wonderful.
Yes.
Did you ever get a chance to have breakfast with our principal ma'am?
Yes, I did get a chance to have breakfast with our principal ma'am, and it was one of the best experiences I could have. Even while we were talking to her, we were sharing just few normal things, but the lessons which she was teaching us in a way back, it was amazing. We were talking about um, how our French and everything is going, friendship and everything is going on, how our activities are going on, what are our plans after 5 years. We spoke a lot about our experiences and everything, and the life lessons which ma'am was giving us, it was helpful.
So it was a friendly talk as well as the guidance from principal ma'am. Right. Yes.
Yes, exactly.
Um, Something funny that you can recollect and would like to share with us.
Something funny.
Happened in the
uh,
school. Yeah.
yes, so during lunch time, when we used to get lunch from home, after having lunch, we either used to go to the ground to play football, or we used to stay in the classroom and do just some normal activities. So once while we were in the classroom, all the corridor student, those who were seniors, we all were playing chalk fight in the class. It was like we were taking chalk and hitting each other. It was kind of fun. We were running around in the corridor from class to different class. It was just amazing how we had fun that day. We also did some paper ball, I think. Yes. Also, when we used to go down to play, I remember once there was no girl that day. All the boys were there, and they were playing football, and I was like, even I want to play football. They were like, you don't play, you'll get hit or something. And I was like, no, I will play. And I went for goalkeeping. Yeah, and I went for goalkeeping. I couldn't catch a single ball, I couldn't stop a single ball. And after one or two times, I directly got hit on my face with the ball. And all of them were like, now you can go, now you are done for playing with us. It was fun. All the memories which we created, everything was fun.
Yes. And you tried it. Even the boys were there, but you tried it. Yes, you
Yes,
seized the moment. You enjoyed that moment, even though you got a hit on your face.
yes.
That's great. Lovely for sharing. Yes. Now, what is that one thing which I would say, which you miss the most?
One thing that I miss the most, I think, is the parking area of the school. It was one of the best thing in the school for me. Like everything around it, it was surrounded with nature. Means everything in the school was surrounded with nature, but somewhere with that parking area, I was very much attached to. I really loved that place. Even if I get a chance to go again back there, I would love to go there and sit by myself again. It was a lovely
For
spot.
the beautiful spot. Yes,
Yes.
absolutely. So, would you like to be there alone or with your friends? How would you like?
I would like to be alone as well as I would like to be with my friends too. You know, all the there are so many memories that we friends created there in the parking area. Skit practices, taekwondo practices, so much fun activities we have done in that parking area. It's amazing.
That's great. So, given a chance, would you want to come back to the school for a day?
Yes, I would love to come back to the school for a day, like seeing each and every spot, the assembly hall, the classroom, everything. It would just bring all the memories back how I was in my school. I could live my school day again for a single day. It will be amazing to be back to the school.
Great. So, how can alumni contribute to the school? Like,
I think alumni can contribute to this school by helping them organizing different competitions, which can help children to mold themselves in a better way and to come ahead. This will also keep us connected to the school somewhere and to the upcoming students, whoever are there. Even they would remember us as a senior of a school, and even we will be connected to the school. And I think that would be the best way that we could help our students of the school.
Aditi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Now you're audible.
Great. So, uh, what can school do to keep the connection strong with the alumni?
Sorry, ma'am, I can't hear you.
What can school do to keep the connection strong with the alumni?
What school should do?
Aditya, I think ma'am is facing network issue. Okay. Well,
Yes,
just
Can you hear me now, Aditi?
yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Ye-
what can school do to keep the connection strong with the alumni?
what can school do? I think one of the best thing that school is doing is this back to roots, which they are conducting right now. This is one of the best thing that the school could do. Also, as I mentioned, if we alumni could held these different competitions and everything, it would also keep us connected to each other.
That's great. Yes, absolutely correct. Now, I would request Dilip sir to share, present the screen. Aditi will have a small activity with you.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
let's get back to the school. Dilip sir, please present the screen.
Describe our school in one word. Um, Nature loving? No.
Yeah. Yes, it is nature loving.
Yes.
Okay, now you have to
I
identify the activity. Okay,
okay.
so image
Helping the poor.
the name of the activity. Do you remember?
Uh, Not really.
Any teachers remember the name of the activity? Teachers or Aditi's friend present over here.
Is this joy of sharing?
Joy of
Sorry.
joy of sharing.
Joy
Yes.
of yes, correct.
Joy of giving.
Of giving. Now
Name
you
the
have to
festival.
name the fest.
Raksha Bandhan. I remember we
Yes,
tied Rakhis to the tree.
that's great. And why have you tied the Rakis to the tree?
To show that even like how trees are helping us, how it is an important part of a nature. That is
That's
why.
great. Wonderful. Do you remember the names of your friends? These
Yes.
two.
Next to me, right side, Freya, Yashvi, and then Mega.
Great. Lovely. Yes. Let's go ahead. Which day is it?
Annual day.
Yes. And year. Sir, which sir is
Greg sir.
Greg sir? And where have you been to?
Um, I think we went for this field trip. I think to Borivali, the national park or something. I don't remember the place, but I think it was in Borivali.
Okay, if Greg sir is there, no. Okay, fine. So yes, absolutely. Greg sir, that's correct. Let's go ahead. Name any two Didi or Bhaiya. You can name more as well, but try to identify.
The bhaiya standing behind principal ma'am is Sanjay bhaiya. I don't remember anyone else, but I know them by the faces.
Dinesh Bhaiya.
Yeah, sorry, Dinesh bhaiya.
Anyone else? Just
Um, Not by the name, but I remember the faces. The first, second. Yeah, I remember the faces of everyone.
yes, Goma Didi is there. From left, the second one, correct? Yes.
Yeah.
Teachers, you can help Aditi by typing names in the chat box so that she can identify the face.
Okay, I'll just open my chat box. Yeah.
Yes.
Goma Didi. Goma Didi, I think, is the second one.
Yes, second
An
one.
Anil Bhaiya is the this standing on the left of principal ma'am.
Yes,
Chaya
that's correct.
Didi. Chaya Didi is, I think, the one standing right to the principal ma'am.
Yes.
Savitri Didi is, I think, next to the Goma Didi.
Savitri Didi is the one who is on the extreme left of principal ma'am.
Okay,
The
okay.
last one.
Yeah, yeah.
Great. Wonderful. Let's go ahead.
Yes.
Now you have to identify the faces.
Left side principal ma'am,
Teachers.
right side Smita ma'am.
That's correct. Yes. Smita ma'am and
Aditi,
principal
Principal
ma'am.
ma'am.
you mentioned the wrong sides. You mentioned the correct names, but the sides that you mentioned were not right. I would like to see the image once again. Now,
Sorry,
who's left?
left side is Smita ma'am.
So I'm glad to know that we both resemble so much that you confused the sides. That shows that we both, while working together, people start looking like each other.
I was confused in the sides actually.
Next one.
uh, Left side Usha ma'am, right side Asha ma'am.
Yes. Usha ma'am and Asha ma'am. Correct. These.
Left side Deepa ma'am, right side I don't remember this ma'am name, but I do remember her. Uh, I think she was in the lab.
Think some other place, not in the lab.
Uh, I think she
Usha ma'am
was
is
no.
helping you.
She was sitting in the office. Yes, yes, I remember.
Now,
Next to the staff
now,
room.
okay. Do you remember her name now?
No, I don't remember the name.
Shaileja ma'am.
Shaileja ma'am.
Deepa ma'am and Shaileja ma'am.
Okay. Dhanashri ma'am. Left side Dhanashri ma'am. Savita ma'am.
Yes. Savita ma'am used to teach you what?
Yes, she was with us for PT. Yeah,
Yes, for
exercises.
sports.
For
Sports, that's
exercise
correct.
and thing. Yes.
That's great, Aditi. Wonderful. That yes, you
Thank
have
you, ma'am.
remember all the activities and the teachers' faces. That's great.
Thank you
Now,
so
I
much,
would
ma'am.
like to ask. teachers or staff members present over here. Would you like to share your memories or thoughts with Aditi? Any teacher?
Namaste.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, Aditi. How are you?
I am good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also good. Very happy to see you here again.
Thank you, ma'am.
I would like to share a few memories about you, which I remember. Of course, I remember too many things, but I can share only few things here. I
Yes.
remember I was a class teacher of Aditi and their class, and Aditi used to do all the things like my all records, the key records or any kind of records. How many students are there for mess students? How many students are there? Those who eat in corridor and all records Aditi used to have, and I just used to ask her, Aditi, we need this record now. My logbook, everything Aditi used to maintain, and she was so sincere in that, and she was like anytime I used to just ask Aditi, we need this recorder now. Okay, just give me 2 minutes, ma'am. Immediately everything used to be ready with her. And I cannot forget this thing about her sincerity, the way she used to take responsibilities and all. It was amazing. It might be a planning of class assemblies. Everywhere Aditi used to be there with me every time, and I cannot forget that thing. Aditi, really, I'm telling you, when I saw on the screen, really it brought tears in my eyes. Somehow I controlled myself because I wanted to express myself. So that's why I controlled. Very happy to see you. Love you. And all
Thank
the
you
best for
so
your
much,
future.
ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm glad I could help you. I remember that assembly planning and everything. We used to write scripts, what would we be speaking and everything.
Yes,
It
everything
was
you people
fun.
used to plan. I never used to do anything. Like you all were there for my support always.
You were already doing so much for us.
No, you people were there. That's why I was like, I never used to care for anything. Like, and you people used to do everything. Like, I have no words to say.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's so good to see you again.
God bless you.
Uh, Namaste. Yeah. Namaste, Aditi.
Namaste, ma'am.
How are you?
I am great, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. So yes, it's so I'm so glad and so happy to see you. And actually, I see you daily on Instagram. All the blogs, your fashion blogs. Yeah, you're doing very good.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
I see that. And Aditi, I really remember you as always a very active, always ready to participate. You always participate in everything. Very chirpy girl, like always very talkative, and you were there everywhere. And yes, I mean you all you were very creative also. As Dhanashri ma'am said, like you were all good in all the maintaining the classroom actually. So with girls like you, I think the class teachers did not have to worry about anything. So yes, it's great to see you, and it's great that you're doing like whatever you are loving, you're doing that. So I love that smile on your face. Always keep that smile on your face, and all the best. Do well, and whatever you want, you are happy doing, do that. All the best to you.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
God bless.
much, ma'am. In fact, I would like to thank school to push me ahead. I was an introvert person. I was not like going out to someone speaking up on myself, but taking participate in different activities in school. I remember I did comparing on annual day, and that was one of the greatest fear that I had, speaking in front of so many people. I think that was one of the best opportunity I had. I could open up myself, and now I am so happy that even I can come and speak here. Thanks to the school.
Yes, yes, I have seen you have really grown into a very, balanced, mature girl, right? But keep that smile on your face. And yes, you were very friendly. I could, like the incident which you said about the football, right? You actually were one of them, actually. You always were friendly with everyone, and you just got along with everyone. So, all the best for your future.
Thank
Whatever
you,
you
ma'am.
do, be happy.
Yes.
God bless you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Hi, Aditi. Good afternoon. How are you? So,
Good. Good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. So nice. You are
Ma'am, I think
like
your audio is getting cracked in between.
sorry.
Yeah, now you're audible.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah. So how are you? How's your life? So nice to see you blogging about fashions and everything.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
That's really nice. You were always been very creative, and I really agree with whatever Usha ma'am and Dhanashri ma'am said. And you were the one who was always ready to take on challenges, no matter what. I'm going to like Jhansi ki Rani, hamesha challenges ke liye ready. So extremely proud of you, Aditi. Keep this smile always on your face.
Yes.
Keep taking new challenges and keep growing. And may God bless you with all the success and happiness. Take care, dear.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So Aditi, there are wishes from Asha ma'am also. She's facing some network problem.
Okay.
She's sending all the wishes to you, and she will, I think, connect with you directly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you, Aditi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Priyanka ma'am, do we have any friend of Aditi who would like to share?
Let me check, ma'am. No, ma'am. Nobody has joined it. We have
Purva, may I go
Lata.
ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aditi, let me first of all congratulate you on the wonderful work that you are doing. It just
Thank you
happened
so much, ma'am.
today itself. I got to see your beautiful pictures, so confident, donning different attires, and what speaks through all of them is your self confidence.
Thank you so much,
And
ma'am. It means a lot to me.
the beauty of your simplicity is reflected in every picture that I've seen of yours. It filled me with so much pride. You know, I was discussing about you today with my daughter, and that is when she told me about what you're doing. It got me so interested. I went through some of your pictures. I have just shared with our teachers also in the group. We all feel so proud of you. You know,
Thank
this
you so
shows
much, ma'am.
how, like Nita ma'am said, you were ready for challenges, and this is what education is all about, which gives you the courage to follow your dreams and desires. There is nothing bigger than that. Live life
Ma'am.
king size. I would say you live life queen size and you define your own success. And
Thank you so much.
the best thing that I remember about you is during the school, how you were, how positive, always cheerful. I agree, as everybody has mentioned. But I especially remember after you completed your 10th grade, you were looking for teaching,
Yes.
and something amazing, you know, that shows how responsible you are, how you wanted to explore your potential, how you did not want to waste time, and probably you also wanted to support the family in some way or the other. I think hats off. If all children start being so sincere, responsible, and courageous, then education has reached its purpose, then we have
Thank
been
you.
successful. Give my regards and best wishes to your sister, your parents.
Sure, ma'am.
They were always there with you. I have seen your parents always silently being there, encouraging you in your successes, in your struggles. Hats off to them.
Always been there. They have always been there. Even for vlogging, I'm doing. They are like, they are pushing me ahead. Go try different things. I am like, at times when I don't want to shoot, my mom is like, go Aditi, take some time, do your shoot. You have time, take time, do shoot. Always there with me. They are just,
Fantastic.
thank
You
you.
know, that streak that you have comes from your parents. As far
Yes.
as I know, your mom herself is an entrepreneur. She keeps trying doing different things, and you know she has
Yes.
passed that on to you. So may God bless you. Keep soaring high. Don't stop yourself from trying new things, doing whatever you
Never.
wish. Just learn from your mistakes, but make mistakes in life. May
Yes,
God bless
ma'am.
you. Love you. Take care. See you soon.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Would love to see you all very soon.
Yes, we wish to see you too. And before I end, I would like to thank Purva for having this beautiful talk show going on with her cheerful smile. We could see how well the transition happened from one question to another and then the activity inserted. It was a fabulous experience. Thank you, Purva. May God bless you too.
Thank
Bye,
you so
Aditi.
much, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Aditi. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, one and all present over here. Thank you, Aditi. Nice to talk
Thank
to
you.
you.
Thanks to you all to give me this opportunity.
Thank you, Priyanka ma'am.
Bye bye.
Reshma ma'am for
Hi,
helping for
Namaste
the
Aditi.
game.
This is Deepa
Thank
ma'am.
Take
you.
care.
Hi, Deepa
And well
ma'am.
done,
How
Purva.
are
Namaste.
you?
Congratulations.
I
Thank you,
am good,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I'm really very glad to see you like this. You're looking so beautiful. I saw your pictures just now. Principal ma'am shared in the group. All pictures
Okay.
are so beautiful. You're looking glamorous.
Thank you so
And
much. Thank you
as
so much.
Dhanashri ma'am and all said that you were active in everything. So I was also remembering while practicing for the skits for the annual day, you were so active in that too. So God
Thank you,
bless you.
ma'am.
Learn more.
Thank you.
May God bless you. Success in your life. Thank you.
Thank you
God
so
bless
much,
you.
ma'am.
God bless
Thank
you.
you. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you,
Aditi.
everyone.
Bye,
Bye
Aditi.
bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Take
Thank
care.
you.
Bye.
Congratulations, Purva ma'am. Best of luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
And Purva ma'am's amazing.
Thank
Wonderful
you so
session.
much.
Wonderful talk.
Thank you so much.
Activity also. And I
Thanks
was
to
laughing
Reshma, ma'am.
seeing my photo with Shailaja ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Purva. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye
Bye.
bye. Namaste.
Yes, namaste
Congratulations,
everyone.
Purva
Bye,
ma'am.
everyone.
Thank
You
you,
rocked it,
Dhanashri,
Purva ma'am.
ma'am.
Congratulations, Purva ma'am.
Purva ma'am,
Finally,
Thank
congratulations.
you
you.
did